My name is Carrie Allen, and I'm one of the co-founders of the Sparkke Beverage Company. I look after brand and marketing for the company.
My name is Rose Kentish. I'm the other co-founder of the Sparkke Beverage Company, and I'm head of product.
I think with any hospitality environment, it's the movement of the customers. It's also deliveries coming in and out at all times. The fact that our kitchens produce heat. You know, we are kind of almost like a semi-permeable membrane with things moving all of the time. And I think every hospitality environment is the same. It's a real challenge for all of us to find energy efficient, cost efficient, and sustainable solutions to cool our buildings.
It was really important for us to find a solution for cooling that allowed people to feel comfortable whilst sitting in our pub and enjoying beautiful food and having a nice cleansing ale, but also that really made sense to our bottom line. Cooling a space like this is expensive.
We had detailed discussions with our refrigeration specialist, John Bossy. We spoke with our architects, but where our business got completely compelled was when we heard Frank Seeley talk about Climate Wizard at an awards ceremony where Seeley was being recognized for technology excellence.
We were looking for a system that would really help us manage both the humidity in the space as well as the fact that we have some incredibly hot days, and we found that the Climate Wizard allowed us to maintain a really consistent cool temperature in our space despite doors being open and closed all the time. And when you've got a full restaurant or a full bar and people are giving off a lot of warmth, we found that the Climate Wizard really worked beautifully to keep a really even, steady temperature.
Well, Climate Wizard is about 80% more efficient than normal air conditioning units. And that's really appealing because not only does it save us money, but it reduces our carbon outputs. And so it ticks every box that we have as a company: cost-effective, sustainable, and really efficient and effective as a cooling unit. And we've got a number of outdoor areas. We have an outdoor rooftop, we have an outdoor courtyard bar. They're indoor-outdoor environments. We wanted oxygen and fresh air, and we didn't want people walking into our venues smelling stale smells that are sometimes associated with pubs. If companies are going to get serious about sustainability, they're going to have to be adopters of new technology. Our business is a natural early adopter, and we will be moving forward with Climate Wizard in all of our venues going forward.